Gaming outdoors? Yes, please. That's what you can get with the 55-inch Sylvox waterproof outdoor TV. I've got my PS5 connected up to it right now, and we're about to do some gaming on it. That's what this video is about. I've just mounted it here under my patio, so stay tuned. Let's get into this video. What's up, guys? Today I've got the Sylvox 55-inch outdoor waterproof gaming series TV. They have a 65-inch and also a 75-inch of this TV. I've just finished mounting it here up underneath my patio with a motorized arm. This allows me to lower it down when I want to use it and put it back up when I don't want to use it. So that's really cool. I'll link that in the description of this video, along with this very TV and the best price you can possibly get on this outdoor TV. And speaking of price, Sylvox, in my opinion, gives you the most bang for your buck when it comes to purchasing an outdoor waterproof direct sun TV. You name it, they've got the options for you. But this one here specifically is the gaming series TV because it will do 120 hertz refresh rate. That's insane. For an outdoor waterproof TV, come on, you can game outdoors on your patio, which is pretty crazy. And here I am here in our backyard pool area. We hang out here a lot. So to be able to have this TV right here, not only to be able to watch while we're in the swimming pool, but also to be able to game on, I'm thinking I need to find me some waterproof gaming controllers. Maybe does PlayStation or Xbox make waterproof gaming controllers? That would be pretty cool to be able to do that in the pool. And speaking of brightness, it is bright. At 1000 nits, this thing has plenty of brightness to be able to view outdoors during the daylight and of course nice and bright at night. Now, when I'm talking about gaming mode, not only does it have a 120 hertz refresh rate for those gamings, but it also has low latency at less than 8 milliseconds and an auto low latency mode when you're playing playing games. So when you're using the controller, you don't have to worry about that lag. It has wired Ethernet plus Wi-Fi, so you've got all the options in terms of internet connectivity and various ways to input visuals and content into the TV. It has Google TV built in, it has Netflix, YouTube, Prime, you name it. This TV has all the media features you could possibly want. It's got 3 HDMI inputs, it's got eARC input as well, and it has Dolby Atmos. The sound on this without even their soundbar, which I also have, which is fantastic by the way. It doesn't mount directly to the bottom of this specific TV, but Sylvox does have an outdoor waterproof soundbar that you can connect up to this. But even without that, because I don't have that over here for this specific one, I was blown away by the sound quality directly out of the TV. Take a listen right here. Picture quality is ridiculous and no noticeable latency between the controller and the TV. Wow, look at that clarity. Oh, I should drive. Haha, oops, I forgot. Wow, I am doing awful at this. Paying more attention to recording a video for you guys than actually racing. I'm probably totally killing my times right now, but that's okay for science. So there you have it, guys. That is the Sylvox outdoor waterproof gaming series TV that I'm so glad that I mounted here, not only for viewing my security camera footage directly from here live while we're out here in the pool, hot tub, you name it. It's a big property. I can monitor the property. Make sure none of you subscribers are sneaking over trying to get some of my tech. But that TV right there, that's a winner. That's a keeper. Sylvox, you did a great job. Be sure to check the links in the description of the sales that they have going on right now. Do not miss these. One of the best time of years to pick up yourself an outdoor 55, 65, or that big 75-inch outdoor gaming series TV. Again, I'm impressed. Can't wait to see what they come up with next year. But this one right here, good to go. Right now, get it into your backyard.